If you are wondering if Xiaomi 17T supports 100 watts plus power adapters, then the answer is both yes and no, and let me just quickly elaborate. So if you are wondering if you can just simply use a power adapter that has 100 watts or more, then yes, you can easily do so. So for example, I use a power adapter made by Realme. It has 120 watts and it works just fine. I can use it in order to charge Xiaomi 17T. However, if you already have a power adapter and it happens to have 67 watts and it is made by Xiaomi, so it has the Hyper Boost technology or something like that, then in that case, if you are considering upgrading the power adapter to a faster one, then it won't make any difference, because the Xiaomi 17T can charge its battery using 67 watts at most. If you use the genuine Xiaomi power adapter. If you have a power adapter made by another brand and it uses PPS technology or PD 3.0, then in that case it is actually 50 watts, so slightly less. So if you have one of these two power adapters, so either the original Xiaomi 67 watts power adapter or any other power adapter that has 50 watts and it uses PPS or PD 3.0, then in that case upgrading to a stronger power adapter doesn't make any sense. It doesn't make any difference. So in that case, 100 watts are not going to be fully used. But like I said, still you can use these power adapters to charge the phone. But if you hope that you will increase the charging speed, that you will charge your phone faster, then sadly it won't make any difference. Or maybe it will just slightly improve the charging speed, but the difference won't be that big. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.